You are listening to Wolf Trader Radio. This is your week in review for the week ending March 31st, 23. Welcome to April. The latest Wolf Trader newsletters for the S&P, metals, energy, currencies, and cryptocurrencies are now available for download in the website's members area. This was a positive week for the S&P. The S&P finished the week with a strong relief rally on Thursday and Friday. However, the Fed juice remains a sell, so the last few days may be a temporary relief short covering rally. We are still in solar storm season through April, and there has been a lot of activity on the sun in recent weeks. This increases the chances of solar storms reaching Earth, which tend to be harmful to equity markets. In the near term, the S&P CAT master signal is still climbing until the first few days of April and then declines. Long term, the combined Saturn cycle is now rising for many months to come. Gold continued to be bullish this week. Bitcoin also remained bullish this week. The Wolf Spread Trader is now long Bitcoin and short gold. Gold and Bitcoin are both holding up very well so far in this banking crisis. Just a word of caution on gold, we are seeing a combined knee-jerk flight to quality in Bitcoin, gold, and bonds. The question is which class will remain strong after this crisis subsides. The long-term Saturn cycles suggest that gold is just beginning to enter Wave 6 down. This Wave 6 down lasts until late 2028. So gold may struggle to keep pace with Bitcoin in the coming months. Natural gas is still wandering around. The seasonal pattern for natural gas is still solid in April. The most vital part of the seasonal is in April. So look for a building pattern going forward. Oil rallied strongly this week. Oil and gasoline are now in positive seasonals. The oil-fed juice is now in a buy since March 23, 23. There is a bullish seasonal starting for oil now until July. If oil rallies into this period, gold may sell off simultaneously. This April, the Wolf Spread Trader will launch a pairs trade between gold and oil. There was no webinar this weekend. The Polar R² posted a profitable week and a profitable month in live auto trading accounts. The month of March posted a gain of plus 5.81%. The Polar R² is now up plus 12.9% year to date. The positive returns in March are impressive when considering the chaos surrounding the banking crisis. The trade of the week was the 30-year bond short on March 27, 23 for a gain of $2,062. We are running two versions of the Polar R² in the live auto trading accounts, the Polar R² Turbo and the Polar R² Legacy. The Polar R² Turbo is a higher frequency version. The Polar R² Turbo trades smaller position sizes in micro contracts. The Polar R² Turbo trades with the S&P, copper, gold, and the 2-year note. The S&P Turbo took its first trade this week for a gain of $570. The Polar R² Legacy trades with less frequency but a higher winning percentage. The Polar R² Legacy will continue to trade with the Polar R² Turbo. We discuss the live account auto trading and Polar R² in detail each week in our Zoom meeting at 8 a.m. The Zoom meetings are open to the public. You must be on the email list to get an invitation, and replays are posted on the website later in the day. You can sign up for the free email list at www.wolftraderfutures.com or www.fedjuice.com. Thanks for listening. Have a great weekend.